Hello guys, welcome to episode 8 for Kids Kitchen. This is another episode in Kids Desserts in the baking season. So today, if I may say, we are going to be making quick cinnamon rolls. So, the prep time is about 20 minutes, same as to the cook time, and that will be a total of about 14 minutes to make this cinnamon roll. And it's supposed to produce 18 servings if you cut the log well. As we go on in this video, you'll know what this log is. I'll try and put an explanation of what it is down there, or you'll just see as we go on in the video. So, here are our ingredients. So for the dough, we're going to need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 2 tablespoons of white sugar, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of salt, 3 tablespoons of butter. I chose unsalted butter, so it's supposed to be softened and it's an optional. And then we're going to need 3/4 cup milk and 1 egg. So that is just for the dough. For the filling, we're going to need 1/2 cup of white sugar, 1/2 cup of brown sugar, but in this case we couldn't really find brown sugar, so it's a sugar molasses mixture, which is going to be our brown sugar for now, and 1 tablespoon of ground cinnamon. On to the mixing. Okay guys, so we have our melted butter here. It looks smaller than I had expected, but we're going to brush half of it in this tin over here that we're going to be putting our cinnamon rolls in. Okay, so now we need to whisk our flour, our sugar, baking powder and salt together in this bowl. So okay, now we'll measure 3 tablespoons of softened butter and mix it in with our hands like I said. Okay, that's the last of them. Now I will mix it in with my hands and we'll be back with you with the finishing product of this flour and butter mix. Okay, so now we have our flour and butter mix. I don't know if it's supposed to become soft, but this is what we have. So now they've told us in a separate bowl we will be mixing our milk and egg together. So I'll be measuring 3/4 cup milk into the egg that I have broken into here, and I'll beat it together. Sorry for the mess around here, I'll clean it up later, but we are going to beat the egg and milk together now. Okay, so now with our egg and milk mix, we're supposed to pour it into our flour mixture and mix it with a rubber spatula until a soft dough forms. And we will call you back once that happens. Okay guys, so it took us a long time, a lot of flour and milk, but we finally got the consistency that would be good, so it doesn't stick too much to my fingers. So now we need to roll it into a rectangle. I hope it won't break because we added a good lot of ton of flour. This is gonna be filling and all that, but first we're supposed to brush the last 2 tablespoons of butter onto this. Please mix your brown sugar, white sugar, and cinnamon. So I'll be doing that off camera because right now my counters are quite full, and I will come back to you with our filling. Okay, so we have our mixture over here. We're going to sprinkle it on our freshly buttered dough. So it turns out the sugar molasses mixture is actually brown sugar. Okay, so the rest of this is going to go to the tin, but for now we're going to need to roll this out. And here's a tip: don't use too much flour when you're making the dough. It's going to be a very floury experience. So now we have our dough here, which we need to cut up. I will be getting a knife and we'll cut it up. So I am not too sure how this is going to work out, but if they cut it with string, I'm not too sure I'll be able to do that. Yeah, we're going to get string or dental floss or whatever, and we're going to slip it through and just cut. Okay, so I'll be seeing you soon. Okay, so we have our cinnamon rolls. So I made 14. Yeah, this is 14. Some of them are small and deformed, but I made 14 instead of 18. I'm going to pop them into the oven. One thing I forgot to tell you is that you're supposed to preheat your oven to either 400 degrees Fahrenheit or 200 degrees Celsius. And they're supposed to bake for from 20 to 25 minutes. So I will get this area cleaned up. As you can see, this, it's a mess. I need to clean up and let this bake for 20-25 minutes. See you then, guys. So this is how our cinnamon rolls have turned out. They're really pretty. I might give you a picture of the whole thing. So I have a series of taste testers here, and they're going to help me taste test my cinnamon rolls and see how they taste. Dig in, people. How does it taste? Yep, they taste good. So, thank you guys for watching this video. Please subscribe, turn on notifications, and tell me what you'd like me to cook next. See you!